Joar. In this video I will tell you how to download the software in Santali. Okay, so first of all search the words that are displayed in the browser. Okay, after searching it you will find something like this, and here you have to go to below. Okay, scroll down, scroll to the bottom of the and click on this. Okay, and after that you will see some details about this. Okay, then you have to click on this, and after that you will be redirected to a new link. Okay, so from here you should select as your wish. Okay, I will select this, and after that you can download all your software from here. These are all Santali softwares. Okay, you can use it according to your needs. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.